Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 4th subject GK. Today we are going to learn new lesson, chapter 22, Calculating Wonder. In this lesson we are going to study about the computer. Okay? Let us learn in detail. All of you listen to me carefully. The computer is an amazing calculating machine. It turns any kind of information we feed into numbers. However, there is a difference in the way we use numbers and the way the computer does. What all things we want to write or number or any letter, any something we want to, we can easily do in the computer. A computer uses only 0 and 1. The computer uses that keyboard we can see 0 to 0 and 1. It does not count beyond 1. This is called the binary system. 0 to 1, it is not count beyond 1. It is called a binary system. A computer has 4 basic units such as input, memory, central processing and output. The computer has 4 basic units such as input, memory, central processing and output. That picture already shown there. Input, central processing unit. And then we are going to learn one by one. Input. The keyboard is the main input unit. The keyboard is the main input unit. We use it to feed information into the computer. The mouse is also a part of the input unit. Then we using the computer and the keyboard and using that time we use the mouse also. Then we need the mouse. Input section understood. The keyboard is the main input unit. Keyboard is the main input unit and information we use to feed information into the computer. The mouse is also part in the input unit. ROM, central processing unit, memory, then RAM. That all is the input unit. It is showing. Next, what is it? Memory. The computer also has a memory like us. The internal memory of a computer is of 2 types. How many types of memory? Memory of computer, 2 types. RAM and ROM. RAM, random access memory, is used by a computer to do temporary work. RAM using for RAM means random access memory is used by the computer to do temporary work. This is used for a temporary work. ROM, read only memory. Read only memory. It is fixed instruction that is used by the operation while starting the computer. Is fixed instruction that is used by the operator while starting the computer. Central processing unit. Next, memory. All of you understood? What is memory? The computer has a memory like us. The central memory of computer of 2 types, RAM and ROM. RAM, random access memory, is used by the computers to do temporary work. It is used for the temporary work. Another ROM, read only memory, is the instruction that is used to the operation while starting the computer. At time we are using this ROM. Then next, central processing unit, CPU. Central processing unit, CPU. At picture we can see there central processing unit. The CPU is very important part in the computer. In the interprets program instructions and process the information or data. The CPU is a very important part of the computer. It interprets program instructions and process the information of data. That picture we can see central processing unit output. The output, the monitor and the printer are the output unit. Output unit is the printer and the output unit only. The monitor and the printer are output unit. They are connected to the CPU. It is connected to the CPU. What is CPU? Central processing unit. To connect to the CPU. Okay. Then Mr. Node. What is there? With the advance of technology, you can now read books on the computer. As for me, I still like to get books from the bookshops. I smell the freshly printed paper before I start reading them. When you get new books and all, that printer smell is there. Okay, that smell all you can experience. Okay, then I hope all of you understood this lesson. Read the lesson and understand it. What is computer? What is computer? The computer is an amazing calculating machine. The computer is an amazing calculator machine. Then what we studied? How many units are there? Computer has 4 basic units. What are there? Such as input, memory, central processing and output. Okay, then input, that is we studied input. Then the keyboard is the main input unit. Then information into we used to feed information into the computer. The mouse is also part of the input unit, memory and all. Then another memory, central process unit, that is CPU. Memory there is what all is there? RAM, ransom access memory, ROM, and read only memory. That you can read this lesson, then you can understand it. Okay, central process unit, CPU. Output, the monitor, the printer are output unit. Monitor and printer are the output unit. Okay, that is all. All of you read the lesson and study. Okay, now exercises are there. You have to read the lesson. That is homework, and read and understand it. Okay, thank you children.